Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a controller to this laptop. Now in front of me I got the DualSense controller, but if you got an Xbox version, I'm gonna tell you how to connect it first, because Xbox controllers are much quicker to connect. Basically what you have to do if you got an Xbox controller is turn it on by pressing the Xbox logo that should be located somewhere here in the middle. Now once it's lit up, press and hold the power pair button for a couple of seconds. That should be located somewhere here, and after you hold it down for a couple of seconds, you should start seeing a notification in this part of your screen, and on this notification you just have to click pair and your controller will be paired. Now for DualShock and all the similar controllers or DualSense, what you have to do is open the start menu, then go to settings, then in settings menu go to Bluetooth and devices, then click add device right here, select Bluetooth, and now what you have to do is press the PlayStation and this create button on the left. Hold down these two keys at the same time until lights start serving. Okay, at this point just wait until the device appears on your list, and as you can see here, we can see it. Click on it, and this way you connect your DualSense controller to this laptop. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.